you can kind of go ahead and start rolling on out. Very good. Go ahead and give it some gas. So connect these first 3 cones together. So outside, rotate in tight to this apex, and then just slowly straighten up the wheel, straight down, and then go ahead and start looking for that left side. Yeah, go straight to that left, stay tight to that second cone here, and then just coast it back right, real tight at the 3, all the way to the 1, brake hard, brake early. Go ahead and release your brakes and turn. Just point that nose first. There you go. As you unwind, start adding gas straight across. And then just aim for those 2 orange cones over there. That way you just dip straight across. That way that's a good little straightaway. And then when you're going full throttle, just make sure you brake early, release, stay out, real wide, and then you can drive in. So just try to drive a little bit deeper. Okay. Good. And then right side here, curb to curb on the right side.
On the right.
And then from the bottom right to the top left. Real tight.
Left, sorry.
Cross right here. Go ahead and straighten your wheel. That one's a little tricky, but as long as you rotate and straighten at the top, you're fine. And then push out real wide here. There's 2 outside orange cones. So you can add a little bit of gas right now. There you go. That'll put you in the middle lane. Now look for that apex, kind of keep adding gas though.
Mercedes,
right
go on the left.
There you go. Connect the next 2 cones together real tight at the top here. That way you get a good straight line to that outside lane. And then brake early on this one. Stay wide. Release early. Carry that speed wide though. Real wide. Now look in. There you go. That way you can add some gas through that apex. Unwind that wheel, keep adding. Go ahead and turn in real tight. A little bit of gas. Let me push that outside. A lot of gas right here. Just stay in this right lane and you're fine. And then just brake straight towards this outside cone. Come off those brakes, drive deep. And now dive in real tight. Add some gas though. There you go. Straighten your wheel and go. Push down this hill. Straight to that left side. Just stay tight left. Fight it tight. And then come off the gas back right. Brake early. Stay tight here. Stay tight. Release and turn. Turn. There you go. Straighten your wheel. Add some gas across. To that outside. White Corvette. This is Porsche. Release your brakes. Turn in. Add some gas. Gas.
On the right, Porsche.
Pass them on the right side. Go. Gotta add some gas. Just stay right though. Stay right. Real tight. Staying out. Just come off the gas and coast. You good? Apex tight. Now straighten your wheel. Just straighten your wheel. That way you hit this right side down. No brakes right now, but get wide first. Really get to that far left lane at first. By that orange cone, there you go. Now rotate to the middle lane, add some gas. That's perfect. A little more gas. Just fight the nose tight. You're good, stay tight. Now straighten and go.
Yeah, GT500 permission pass.
You're good. As long as you hit it tight and you're straight across, you're fine. And then brake early, brakes.
911 looking for
Release, drive deep. Now rotate. And then add some gas out. Just slowly.
Go back to right.
Staying out. Rotate in tight. A little bit of gas.
Don't worry about it, Corvette.
Staying out. Just keep giving gas, get a little bit closer to that blue Corvette. And brakes. Release. Drive deep. Now rotate to that apex. That way you can add gas through that apex straight down the hill. Blue Corvette, this is Porsche requesting a pass. Stay right. We'll probably pass him after this corner here, so stay real close to him. Good. Go ahead and dive in. A little bit of gas. And
go behind our left.
Side. Gas. Good. Keep pushing. Just stay tight over here. Gas.
Okay, can GT500.
Stay out now. Brakes. And release. Dive tight. Turn tight. Turn. There you go. Now start straightening your wheel. Now add gas. Stay right. Carry some speed. Now off the gas. Rotate for your apex tight. Real tight. Straighten your wheel at the top.
Okay.
Right side. Gotcha. There you go. Now you can kind of see it that time, right?
Some of this track is so blind until you get out here.
For sure. That's definitely not an easy track. Very technical. Which makes it fun, you know?
Yeah, it does. It's kicking the shorts.
Keep it tight. You're good. Now push that next cone. As long as you're tight here, you're fine. And brakes. Stay out. Go ahead and release. Drive deep. Carry that speed out wide. You're good? Yeah, so it doesn't tighten up as much right there.
Yep.
There you go. Add some gas. Just lift a little bit. Rotate in. A little bit of gas now. Kind of roll through that apex. Go. Just stay in this outside. You're good. Stay into the 3. Hard brakes. Stay wide. Release those brakes. You're good. Carry that wide. Carry it wide. Now start rotating. Gas. There you go. Carry speed. Carry speed. Now push. Left side. Lift off the gas. Off the gas. That way it doesn't push you too far right there. Brake early. Brakes. Brakes. Off. Dive. There you go. Now slowly straight across that outside lane. Push wide. Staying out. Staying out. Brakes. Stay wide. Release the brakes. Now dive tight. Real tight. Now go wide and gas. There you go. Slowly straighten. Slowly straighten. Stay right.
911, I'll get you off the toilet bowl.
Get the other Porsche pass as well. Stay close. We're going to try to pass with this other Porsche. So stay real close as this one right here. You can get a little bit closer. Let's get a little racing going on. A little bit of gas. I'm just kidding.
This Porsche, you're clear on the
Gas,
left.
gas. Just stay right behind this Porsche. Gas, gas, gas. Stay tight. We got a Porsche gang going on out here. Brakes, brakes. A little more. Staying out. Release. Drive out. Drive out. Now dive in tight. There you go. There you go. Let it push you out. 911. This is 911. Release. Turn in. Nice, nice. Add some gas down the straight here.
Get you after this.
Gas, gas, gas. And brakes. Brakes. A little more. Release, release. Now turn in tight. Add a little bit of gas. Add some gas. Pass on the left side. Go. Go, go, go. Stay tight. You're good. Keep adding. Keep adding. Keep adding. Now come off. Real tight. Brake early. Brake early. Brakes. Brakes. Release your brakes and turn. Just turn. Get that nose in first. Now unwind and go. Push out. Perfect. Straight across. Staying it all the way to the 3. You're good. Staying out. And just brake kind of hard. Staying out. Release. Turn tight. Get the nose pointed. Now start adding gas. Slowly straighten. Keep adding. Keep adding. That's perfect. Stay right. Good. Carry that up. Just kind of lift off. Rotate in. Add some gas. And then just slowly straighten. Right side. Brake a little bit. Release. Drive deep. Perfect. You're good. You're good. Now middle lane. Add some gas. A little bit of gas. You're good. That'll push you to that apex. Just fight the nose in. Stay in the gas. Push to the next one. Gas, gas, gas. Just stay tight and you're fine. You're good. Stay in the gas to the outside. Brake hard. Hard brakes. Hard brakes. Release. Drive deep. Drive deep. Now dive tight. Keep the nose in and you're fine. Keep it tight. Now push out. Go. Go, go, go. Lift. Turn. Just turn. Now add some gas. Add some gas. Go. Hard. Push hard. Push hard. Stay in it. Stay in it. Stay in it. Hard brakes. Hard brakes. Coast. Off the brakes. Off the brakes. Turn. Turn. There you go. Straighten and go. Straighten and go. Push. Push. Good. Just fight it tight. Fight it tight. Off the gas back right. Real tight here. And brake hard. Brake early. Off. Off. Turn. Get that nose in. Gas out.
Get you after toilet bowl.
Straight across to that outside. You're good. And brakes. Staying out. Staying out. Release your brakes. Drive deep. Now dive. Really point the nose first. There you go. Now add gas. Slowly straighten. Push out. Push out. Right side.
Go behind or left.
Lift.
You can park that Shelby.
Apex. Straighten your wheel.
Push out. You can park it well.
Brakes. Brakes. Now middle, middle. Add some gas. A little more. Just keep it tight and you're fine. Push harder. Push harder. Stay tight. Stay in the gas. Stay in the gas. Hard brakes though. Harder. Brake hard. Brake hard. There you go. Now release. Drive deep. Drive deep. Now point. Point the nose. Just patient on the gas. Now push out. Push hard. There you go. Lift. Lift. Turn. Stay tight. Stay tight. And push. 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 And brake hard. Brake early. Keep braking. A little more. Release. Carry that. Now turn. Point first. Now gas. Straight down. Push. 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 Push.
Well, this thing's incredible. Holy crap.
Slowly straighten the wheel, off the gas, brake early, but stay tight, off those brakes. Now dive, point the nose first, get it tight, now push out. Straight across to that outside, straight across, stay in the gas zone. New Corvette, this is 911. Dive in tight, a little bit of gas, pass a little bit right side. Stay right, stay right, stay right. Lift, lift. Slowly straight, right side.
Oh, 911, I love you.
Brakes, Off, off. Carry it, carry it, carry it. Now middle, we'll start adding a little bit. Add a little bit. You good? Just stay tight, stay tight. It's gonna try to push you out. Now push out. Straight across. Brake hard, brake hard. Brake hard, 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 hard. Coast, coast, coast. Now dive in. Keep that nose tight. Fight it tight. And then up here we're gonna go through the 2 yellows. Go and ease up.
Gonna do what?
Straight in, straight in.
Yellows?
Yeah, go and ease up some. Ease up some more. There you go.